Everybody needs a plane, right? Yeah, this isn't going to sit very well. I'm not doing any fancy packing on this either. So if things arrive and they're beat to hell, well, it adds character. Hot Wheels bulldozer. Okay. Now, here's obviously something I stole the real riders off of. Throw that in there. Oh. That's an old red wine gremlin. I'm hanging on to that. Heck, that's almost complete. Let's see. Oh, here's, well, here's an old Nomad. Suppose he can do something with that. What else? There's just a ton of stuff. Here's a couple Matchbox Rollin' Thunders. This one looks more Gaslandish, so I'll send him the Ugly Holidays one from 2007. Hope you like that. Let's see, what else? Maybe throw in a Passing Gasser. What else can you be creative with? Yeesh. Yeah, even I won't be that cruel. That would just be flat out mean to send that. Yeah, I think that's a McDonald's Hot Wheels. Yeah. Ooh. That might have a cool post-apocalyptic kind of... I don't see that going a steampunk direction, but maybe a Blade Runner direction. Oh, what do you think? Maybe one more casting? Yeah. There we go. That's good and ugly. Okay, there's kind of a starter kit. A wide variety of junk. Let's see. Let's throw some 3D parts in here. Oops, like some air cleaners. Let's see if we have any. Oh, throw a couple engines in here. What else do we have up here? Oh, we got some 3D printed tanks. Yeah, one more set of those. Oil. Oil. Guns. Throw some guns in here. There we go. Yeah, throw some guns. Can't get that one open. That doesn't want to go. Different kind of guns. What do we got here? Ram for the front. I'm really looking forward to seeing what, a couple exhausts, a few of those. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Some panels. Okay. Throw some 3D printed wheels in here. Here's a couple of that size. Here's, let's do like 4 of that size. In case you want to go whole hog on this thing, there's 4 of these. Here's some of these little tiny ones. So, how many will go in there? We'll just throw a bunch. There we go. Well, do some wheel spikes. Okay. So there you basically have it. I think that's the shipment. Unless... yeah, I'm throwing that ugly thing in there because I can't look at that anymore. That can go over there. Hope you like it. This will be on its way to you soon.